My name is David Ford. I'm Senior Director of Chemistry at Snapdragon Chemistry, a Cambrex company. Scaling a flow process has a lot of advantages compared to a batch process. Whereas a batch reactor is a very large piece of equipment that exists in a plant and we have to wait for our chance to use it, a flow reactor, even at manufacturing scale, can be brought into the R&D lab. And we can run experiments in the R&D lab where we can actually study the manufacturing process in a really convenient way without using very much material. Flow chemistry allows us to control reaction time, oftentimes down to single second precision. It gives us really good control over mixing, whereas in a larger batch reactor, the mixing changes a lot across scales. We can control the mixing very well, as well as heat transfer. How we achieve that is by really characterizing the reactors that we're using, starting in the laboratory, and then translating that into the plant. Automation is very important for flow chemistry because of the amount of equipment being used. To actually operate these pieces of equipment by hand is really too complicated. So having the automation work hand in hand with the reactor design is very important for successful delivery of flow chemistry. In pharmaceutical process development, we generate a tremendous amount of data over years of process development. AI can give us some really exciting tools for being able to find the information we're looking for at the time that we need it and make sure that the teams doing the work have the best possible information to make decisions.